Today is 5th August and you are watching Rising TV. This is your dose of AI stories. Let's find out what's happening on the tech street. Let's dive in. Google's experimental Gemini 1.5 Pro has outperformed OpenAI's GPT-4o in AI benchmarks. Previously, GPT-4o and Anthropic's Claude 3 were leading in the field, but Gemini 1.5 Pro scored 1,300 in the chatbot arena, surpassing GPT-4o's 1,286 and Claude 3's 1,271. This suggests that Google's model is more capable overall. However, as an early release, Gemini 1.5 Pro may still undergo changes. This development shows the intense competition in AI, with Google setting a new standard that OpenAI and Anthropic will need to match. Microsoft's cloud services profit from integrating OpenAI's AI technology, with TikTok spending $20 million monthly on these services. This amounts to 25% of Microsoft's revenue in this sector. Despite this success, there's a risk due to high customer dependence. TikTok is developing its own AI, which might reduce its dependency on Microsoft. To mitigate this, Microsoft is attracting other big clients like Walmart and Intuit. They also offer AI features through Copilot for Office 365 users. Microsoft aims to diversify and reduce risk, maintaining strong growth in its cloud business. Meta is focusing on long-term AI development instead of immediate profits. They aim to build advanced AI technologies for future applications, investing heavily in research and infrastructure. This strategy involves creating tools and platforms that could benefit various industries over time. Meta believes that prioritizing innovation and long-term goals will ultimately lead to significant advancements and value, even if it doesn't bring immediate financial returns. US politicians agree that technological leadership is essential for economic and geopolitical dominance. The US has taken steps to maintain an edge in chipmaking and AI, including restricting exports to China and passing the CHIPS Act to boost domestic microchip production. This strategy focuses on producing advanced AI chips to maintain technological superiority. Netflix, formed by Hexagon executives, quickly partnered with NVIDIA, Intel, and Microsoft despite Sugon's blacklisting by the US. NVIDIA sold advanced AI chips to China but faced restrictions from the US government due to national security concerns. In response, NVIDIA created a downgraded chip, A800, to comply with regulations. The US aims to control AI development via chip exports, while China is determined to enhance its technological capabilities.